People with the ear. And my brother Elijah cook breakfast. Come out the room this morning. I went to go shower. I thought, there's a nice smell in the atmosphere. You know, I can smell meat. Yeah, I can smell meat being cooked and everything. I was like, okay, what is this? So obviously coming here now, me and Naska's having a nice little girly talk and all them things there. So about 45 minutes to an hour later, her hubby comes out. He's like, oh, you ready for breakfast? We're like, yeah. Cool. He comes out. Yeah. So this morning we're having fried yam and stew. Something very new to my palate. I've never had it before, but alright, cool. Let's get the show on the road kind of thing. So good girl. Alright. Took the first bite. So you just dip the yam. So this is what it looks like. So what you do, you dip the yam, yeah, in the you dip the yam in the stew. The pepper is not even like curry chicken pepper, or it's not even like normal. The pepper is ridiculous. The burn. I'm thinking, could you not warn me? Like, hello. What, to be fair, that it tastes good, but you know, your sister had to hop up for water because right about now, my brother's trying to kill me, like trying to, you know what I mean, trying to kill his sister and all them things there. Pepper is like 10 on 10, but it tastes good though. It does. So I'll catch you later, MiJulsz. See you soon.
What do you think?
I was gonna say
Toussy should be cooking and look what he's doing.
Okay. Alright guys, comment down below. How much do you think Kira weighs right now?
What should I get into you?
Oh guys, look what Bae just presented me. Like, this is amazing. Like, look at that. There's a flower. Like, yes, Mr. Hassan. I got the best husband in the world. I don't care what no one says. Like, does your husband dish your food like this? And this is not the first time. Like, if you have me on Instagram or Snapchat, you would know. Baby always be doing this. This is so cute. If your man ain't dishing your food like this, then honey, you need to throw the whole man. No, I'm joking. Don't listen to me. No, that's for your man, because my man can't share my food like this. Love of your man same way. But do you see this? I mean, do y'all see this? Baby, thank you. I love you, honey. I love you so much, boo. So that's finished, guys. That was a lovely. You're not in that time. That was a lovely meal. I'm gonna get my cola champagne for wash it down with. Can you guys tell me? No, man. Can you guys tell me which season or celebration you drink this in? Cola champagne soft drink. Yeah. So we're gonna late till the church because football, the pan TV.
Who never touch a matty 2-1 in a
No. Boy. So football is on TV, so we're gonna be late. You know, the men's and their football habits. Terrible. Men's? Why? You know me when you think you mean? No, but the gen of them sound too terrible. It does sound like one gangster or something. The gen of them watching football. Anyways, MiJulsz, we'll see you when we're on our way. When we're on our way to the church. So we're on our way to church now. So after that long time of being ready, we're finally on our way to church.
Yes.
At what time?
So
6:30.
What's the time?
6:30.
4:20. Oh, we still have 2 hours.
He's 6:30.
4:20.
It's 6:30. So after 2 hours. Yes?
Yeah, we're waiting.
Here you go, Toussy. Here you go. You're welcome.
This truck again.
For us, swear it'll take a minute. You will understand when we finish, yeah. Cause I don't wanna see you cry. I don't wanna tell you a lot, so you should be a part. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. Listen to your heart, and you know you should be a part. Miss America, yes. All right.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
All
right, love you. Have fun in America. Love you. I love you. Good night. All right, mommy. Bye bye. All right, boo. Love you.
Come up round, come up round.
Huh? Okay.
Hello, really, how you doing? How you doing? Really quick, I know.
Hello, American. Hello, Uncle.
How you doing? How you doing? Don't worry, soon we're gonna Skype it.
Right.
Or FaceTime it. FaceTime it. How you doing?
I'm good, Uncle. You?
I was well. Soon come up here too. I heard.
Yeah, we should hopefully.
Months, right?
Hopefully, yeah.
Cool. So how you doing? What's good with you guys?
We just came up from church.
Oh, so late?
Yeah.
Wow. What time you go to church for?
I think it starts 6:30.
Church starts at 6:30?
Yeah.
It's a night service?
Yes, Uncle.
Oh, we go in the morning time. Sorry, at 8 o'clock in the morning. Sorry.
Jeez, that's early.
From 8 o'clock to 9:30.
Oh wow, that's quick. Oh, and a half.
It's really big. That's why there's so much people. They can't hold too much people. The place is so big.
Oh.
When it's so off, they have another service at 10:30.
Okay.
Another service at 1 o'clock.
Oh wow.
They can't hold so much people. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't worry, cause we're gonna go there Sunday. Your mother's gonna see and take pictures and everything, so you'll check it out.
Yeah, but she'll probably do live as well.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, my dear. Well, we're gonna go to the mall.
Oh, okay.
Mall, shopping here, right?
Okay, have fun.
She's gonna send you pictures. You'll see how it is.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, Uncle. Love you.
Alright, love you too.
Alright, bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Here you go, baby.